for getting in touch. Now let's get back to our Gardening in Action chat. I'm delighted to say we've made contact with Dan Orey, who is part of the team. Dan, good morning to you.
Hi, Pat.
Good to talk to you. Can you give us an idea and explain what Gardening in Action does?
Well, yes, Gardening in Action is a non-profit and set up in 2020, March 2020. That gives you a clue as to what our aspirations might be. And it's about reaching out to communities in the southeast, giving them support. So we support community growing groups from community gardens, orchards, verge planting groups where, for instance, street trees and anything horticultural really, and we're all about sort of benefiting the community through horticulture, both the individuals and the wider community.
And how rewarding is it for those individuals, to share their knowledge? Because I guess you've got some pretty experienced members there.
Yes, well, we've got people that have never picked up a trowel, and we've got people that have maybe, like myself, decades of experience, and we've got professional horticulturalists through to people who are just keen amateurs, but amateurs unfair really, because the knowledge in the communities can be vast. I think what I love is that when you're sharing information in a garden setting, like particularly, let's say, a community garden or a community orchard, you're really planting a seed of knowledge with these people who are coming in, volunteering or experiencing the space. And it's lovely to watch that seed germinate and bloom, and then pass on that knowledge as well, mentoring people as well. And I really love that.
And I'm just interested to know how much experience new volunteers need if they put themselves forward.
Well, I would say absolutely nothing.
All right.
Everyone will come with their own sort of area of genius, their zone of genius in life, and they may not feel they have anything to give or to add, but that everyone does. I've never met a person in any community project that didn't have something they could offer, whether it was making the tea, making cups of tea, whether it was being a person to speak to, whether it's someone who's particularly knowledgeable about growing carrots, or whether it's just someone who loves to mow the grass.
Oh, that's great. So everybody is welcome. Do you run workshops? Do you do free workshops there or not?
Yes, so we run free workshops both online and in the community. You're able to find that at our growingcommunitytoolkit.org. So that's growingtoolkit.org. Growingtoolkit.org is really designed to support community growing groups, but also a great resource for those individuals. And it will show you everything on how to even go about finding a site and setting up a community garden, right the way through to growing those carrots.
Yes. And community gardening, how does it, do you think, benefit society on a wider level?
Do you know what? I could, and I have written long academic papers on this. Right. But I think, to really put it concisely, it feeds the soul, it feeds your senses, it fills your social calendar while filling your belly and burning those calories, really. That's what I love about it, is that it can help you with issues relating to weight, stress, anxiety, depression, social isolation. And again, it can put carrots on your plate.
Oh, it's perfect. It's all things you want, isn't it? What's the best way for our listeners to get in touch and find out more about Gardening in Action, Dan?
Well, we're on Facebook as Gardening in, so Gardening IN. You can just search Gardening in Action on, Google, but the Growing Community Toolkit is the best way to channel through to what we do. So it's growingtoolkit.org. Growingtoolkit.org is the place. It's a phenomenal resource. It's also got patches you through to my YouTube channel, Original Gardening, as well.
Brilliant. Really good to talk to you. We'll talk again, Dan. Is that okay?
That's fantastic, Pat. Look forward to it.
Cheers. There we are. Dan Orey, who leads Gardening in Action in Sussex. And remember, as we always say, if you're part of a community gardening group, we would love to hear from you. Drop me an email with all the details, pat.marsh@bbc.co.uk.